So hello students, today we are going to start algebraic expressions exercise 3. So let us start with the first question. Question number first. The multiplications of the algebraic expressions. Minus 4 bracket 2y plus 7. Now normally it is minus 4 outside, so we will multiply with this minus 4 inside the bracket. It will become minus 8y minus plus minus, and 4 7 ja 28. This is your answer. Taking another example. For example, this was question first. Take another question. Minus 2p bracket p square plus, sorry, it's not plus, minus p minus 7. Now here minus 2p is outside, so what we will do, minus and this p square is having plus value, so minus plus minus 2, and the powers will be added. That is, if there is no power on this, we will take 1. Okay, so 1 plus 2, then minus plus 2p. Here also there is no power over here, so we take it as 1, because when there is no power we assume at 1. So 1 plus 1. In the chapter power and exponent, we have studied that if the base are same, then the powers are added. Okay, minus. Now this is minus and plus, it will become plus. 7 to the 14 and p as is it. Further solving it, it will become minus 2 to the power 3 plus 2p to the power 2 plus 14p, and this will be the answer. Moving to the next question, I am taking one more question with you all. Okay, that is the question. Now here the question is 3 minus q plus 4q cube, that is to the power 3, okay, into minus q to the power 4. They have given one monomial, that is monomial at the right hand side. So what we will do, we will just change this one over to the right hand side. We can do directly also, but to make the question little convenient according to the students, we can take the multiple part, the number which the expression which we are going to multiply at the left hand side, that is minus q I am writing over here, and then 3 minus q plus 4q to the power 3. Now again what I am saying, that in this q there is no power, so we will take it as 1. Okay, next what we will do now, we will, this is minus q, so minus q and 3, it will become minus 3q to the power 4. Got the point? Then minus plus, and it becomes q, 4 is here, so 4 plus 1, base are same, the powers will be added. Okay, plus. Now it is minus over here, plus inside, so minus plus, it's minus, and 4q, 4 plus 3, 4 is here and 3 is here, so the power of both the exponents, the power of both the base will be added, that is 4 plus 3. In next statement what we will write, minus 3 to the power 4 plus q to the power 5 minus 4q to the power 7. Okay, this will be the answer. Moving to one more question to us. Okay, moving to the next question. I have copied the question over here. Again, now what we will do, we will multiply the numeric part first, that is 5 7 ja 35. Then now there is no other variable over here. Okay, so we will just copy the other terms as it is, that is a to the power 3 and b to the power 2. Next is outside it is plus, so plus, and inside it is minus. So plus minus, it will become minus. 5 2s are 10. Okay. Now a, again I said now here there is no power over here, so we will take it as 1 over here. Clear? So it will become 3 plus 1. 3 is over here and 1 is over here. Then b, here 2 plus 4. This is 2 plus 4. This is 4. Got the point? Plus. Now again this is plus and here it is also plus. So plus plus plus, 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. A to the power 3 plus 2. Again 3 is over here, 2 is over here. Then b, 2 plus 5. 2 is over here and 5 is over here. So both are the powers are added. Again I am saying now, if the base are same, then the powers are added. In the next straight line we will write 35 a cube b square minus 10 a to the power 4 b to the power 6 plus 15 a to the power 5 and b to the power 7. And this is your answer. Okay. So using these questions you can solve the other questions. Moving to the next exercise, we are doing exercise 4 today. The topic is multiplications of polynomials. We can have monomials, binomials, trinomials. So in this chapter we are going to study about the multiplications of polynomials. Okay. So already a question is written over here, 3x minus 7 into 5x minus 8. It's a binomial. Now what I have to do, the first term of first binomial will be multiplied, that is 3x into 5x minus 8. The first one has to be multiplied in completely. Okay. Next is minus 7 into 5x minus 8. All the terms of the first expressions are individually multiplied with the second expression. Okay, the way I have written over here. Next step, what we will write now, again it became the simple way as we have done in the previous exercise. 3x has to be multiplied inside 5x minus 8. So what we will do, it will become 15x square, power of 1 over here and 1 over here, minus 8 3s are 24x, minus 7 5s are, it is minus over plus inside, so it will become minus 35x, and minus minus plus 8 7s are 56. Now in next step, if we see that there are two like terms, okay, they are written separately, so we will have to solve them first. That is 15x square. Now both are minus, so they will be added. Minus are added. It will become minus 59x plus 56. Understood? Taking another example question over here. Okay, this is your answer. Taking another question, one more question for this, that is x square minus 2xy multiplied by 3xy plus y squared. Got the point? Now again the same thing as we have done in this question, we will do the same thing over here. X square bracket 3xy plus y square, okay, minus 2xy bracket 3xy plus y square. Okay, so again I have done the same thing as we have done in this previous question. The same process we will do over here. Okay, and in the other questions also we will do the same way. This will decrease the mistake chances in our solution. So next question is what? Now again the 3 is over here. Now x, see 2 is over here and there is 1 over here. So 2 plus 1 it becomes 3 and y. Okay, plus again this will multiply over here, it will become x square y square. Okay, minus 3 2s are minus is here, so minus plus minus 2 3s are 6 x, 1 power is over here and 1 power is over here, so it will become 2, same as 1 power is over here, 1 power is over here, it will become a square, minus plus minus. Okay, 2, then x, there is no x over here, so this x as it is, and y to the power 3. 2 is over here and 1 is over here, so 1 plus 2 will give you 3. Now next, the two central terms, if you see, they are like terms, so we will solve, we will add them. Okay, that is 3x cube y plus, now here see, this is plus and this is minus. A number, a term which is not having any numeric value, we take it as 1. So 1x square y square has to be subtracted from this. So now bigger value is minus 6, so the sign will going to come off the bigger term, that is minus. It will become 5x square y square minus 2xy cube. Got the point? Now what is the answer? 3x cube y minus 5x square y square minus 2xy cube. This is your answer. Okay, moving to the next question now. Moving to the next question, it is this is binomial and this is trinomial, the multiplication of two polynomials we are doing. So again the same thing here, we will multiply 4a. First see how I am writing. Same way you will going to write the other questions before solving. Minus 3 bracket 3a square plus 2 minus 5. This way you have to write the other questions similar to this question. Next question. Now again same thing, we have to multiply 4a inside the bracket, that is 4 3s are 12, a to the power 3 plus 4 2s are 8, a minus 5 4s are 20 a. Okay, then becomes minus 9a square minus plus minus 6 plus minus plus and 15. Children, always remember that first you have to write the sign and then you have to multiply. Many times students multiply and then write the same sign and makes a silly mistake over it. First you have to set the sign after multiplication. Next line, here we will see 8a is over here, 20a is over here, okay, and 6 is over here. So we will just sign which are the like terms first. So we will see 8a is like 8a is there, 20a is there, sorry, it will become 2a square, 4 5 is 20 a square, and 15a is like. First we will add these two and then we see these two are like terms. So we will solve the like terms, that is 12a cube plus, now it is 8a and here it is 15a. So 15 plus 8, how much you will get? 23, that is 23a. Now here 20a and these two are both are minus, the sign will be going to come of minus and it will become 29a square minus 6. Now see, the thing is, after solving also, if we see, the expression is not arranged in a systematic way, that is highest power to lowest power. See, it is a over here and a square is over here, so we will arrange it in the descending order, that is 12 a to the power 3 minus 29a square plus 23a minus 6. This is your answer. First, after arranging them in a proper format. Okay, moving to the next question now. Moving to the next question, we will have this question over here. Now here also I will have to do the same way. 2p square bracket 4p cube minus p square plus 7. Okay, the same way we are doing the other questions over here. Minus 3 bracket 4p cube minus p square plus 7 over here. Understanding this thing? Now after that, what we will do, we have to just multiply. 2 4s are 8p. Now here they see 2 is over here, 3 is over here. So 2 plus 3, that is 5. Okay, to the power 5. Next is minus 2p to the power 4 over here. Then plus 7 2s are 14p square. Same as minus 3 4s are 12p cube minus plus 3p square minus plus minus 3 7 are 21. Again we will see over here, that is this is 2p cube, 4p square and this. So what we will do, this 14p square and 3p square, we have to see that if there are like terms, we just solve those like terms and then rearrange the expression to represent the answer. So I found that 14p square and 3p square are like terms. I will see that 14p square is this and plus 3p square is this. So 8p to the power 5 minus 2p to the power 4, 14 and this, that is plus 14 plus 3, it is 17p square minus 12p to the power 3 minus 21. Same as, now they are not arranged in order. So again I will write 8p to the power 5 minus 2p to the power 4 minus 12p to the power 3 plus 17p square minus 21. Okay, this is your answer. Moving to the next question now. Starting with the next question, that is x minus y bracket x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, so here again the same process. In each question we have to do this step. Plus y square minus y bracket x square plus xy plus y square. Again x has to be multiplied inside it, that is x to the power 3 plus x square y. We always have to remember, okay, while solving the question, x and x, that is x square y plus x y square minus x square y. Or one thing more, children, student, always remember, when you are writing two variables, they should be arranged in the alphabetical order. That is, I will always write x before y. Okay, in each term I will make the same thing. I will never make a silly mistake. Okay, minus x y square minus, this is minus plus minus y to the power 3. Now we will see plus x square y minus xy square. So this and this will be cut off. Plus xy square and minus xy square, they will be cut off. The final answer will be x cube minus y cube. This is your final answer now. Got the point? Moving to the next question, children. 2x square minus 3x plus 4 and x square minus 5x minus 3. Both are trinomials. So here we have to change thrice. That is 2x square bracket x square minus 5x minus 3 plus 3x bracket x square minus 5x minus 3 plus 4x square minus 5x minus 3. Got the point? Now here there were 3 terms over here, so I have separated into 3 parts. Okay, process will be the same. Now here we have to do thrice, 3 times to multiply over here. That is 2x to the power 4 minus 10x cube. 2 5 is 10 x, or that is x cube, minus 6x square. 6 square minus, that is 3x cube, minus plus 15x square plus 9x. These are 9x plus 4x square minus 20x minus 12. Got the point? Next question is over here. Now we will see the like terms. See, minus 10x square, 3x cube, these are the like terms. So this, okay, and then I will see x squared one. That is, this is x square, this is x square, this is x square. Okay, got the point? And then again I will see this is the x and this is x. So when the question becomes bigger, we have to find all possible like terms over here. So I have found this much. Now here it will write 2x to the power 4 as it is, minus, now we will see, first we will solve it. Now see, I am solving first, then minus 10x cube is written over here. Okay, then minus 3x cube is written over here, and then if anything is there, no other cube. Okay, so both are minus, so what will be the answer? Minus 13x cube, that I am writing over here. Okay, now I am rubbing this one. Then now it becomes this. So I already marked that it is having a like term, they are having like terms. So again I will do the same thing, minus 6x square. Why I am doing it? So that you should not make any mistake. You also can do the same way. Minus 6x square, then plus 15x square, then 15x square, and then it is plus 4x square. Okay, children? So these two are plus and this is minus. So 15 plus 4, 19, and 19 minus 6, that is 13x square, and that is also positive. So I will write plus 13x square. Got the point? Again, this I am rubbing from here. This you can do again. Then now moving to it. So this point is already done. This is already done. Now left is this one and this one. I have made triangles over here. Okay, so that you should not make any mistake. I have to use points, triangles, and underline for differentiating between the different like terms. So here it is 9x, that is plus, and minus 20x. So it will become minus 11x. I will write minus 11x and minus 12 at the last, which is over there. So if you see, already the values are arranged in a systematic way. So there is no other like terms now. This is your final answer. Okay, so this was all about the multiplications of the monomials, binomials, and trinomials. Okay, hope you are able to do the other questions. Thank you.